Welcome to the CNH On Air podcast. I'm your host. My name is Francesco Tutino, and I'm the Chief Human Resources Officer here at CNH. In this series, we explore the stories of our people, their experiences, their challenges, and what inspires them every day here at CNH. Today, I'm joined by Yinglu from Shanghai, China. Yinglu works in the SQE department within the Quality and Customer Advocacy and Sustainability team of the Asia Pacific region. Then we have with us Marina from Sorocaba, Brazil, representing the construction segment. And then we have Ravina from Supply Chain in Greater Noida, India. Good afternoon, Ravina. Thank you all for being here today. It's really great to have you all with us. Let's jump straight in. First question. What keeps you motivated to work here every day at CNH? Marina, do you want to break the ice? Let's go.
Well, what motivates me, Francesco, is knowing that the work we do has a real impact in the world. It's not just about selling machines, selling parts. Every equipment plays a role in building bridges, schools, roads, entire communities. So the sense of building something bigger is what motivates me.
That's so powerful, Marina. That's a great start. Thanks for sharing. Ravina, same question. What keeps you motivated to come to work every day here at CNH?
What drives me is my work, my passion, because I'm very passionate about packaging. And packaging is something to deliver the parts in sound quality to our customer. So I would be more happy that I can deliver to CNH overseas plant all the parts in sound quality. And so far, it's been 4 years. We have not received any complaint from any other plant. So I justified my work, and that keeps me motivated.
Very good, Ravina, and thanks for the high quality of the work that you are delivering through what you do every day. Actually, here with us. Yinglu, same question. What keeps you motivated?
What ignites me is the tangible impact of our work, knowing that our efforts directly contribute to help the farmers increase their yields and build a more sustainable future is incredibly powerful.
But let's proceed with the second question. Can you share a project or an activity that made a real difference for our customers? Ravina, you want to go first?
So being a packaging technologist, my philosophy is a 1 can change the game. And so I realized that we were sending our container in inefficient way, and there's a room to improve. So I worked on a packaging design. I innovated a design with structural change where I reduced its size, and that enhanced the container saturation by 50%. We just double its capacity, and that led 50% transportation saving and reduced carbon footprint. So it was a big win for company as well in terms of saving and for environment also.
Very interesting, Ravina. At the angle where performance and sustainability meet. That's very interesting to hear, actually. Marina, same question. Can you share a project or activity that made a real difference for our customers?
I worked in a project, Francesco, where we developed kits for maintenance that made the maintenance of the machines more affordable for the customers. And we have a wide range of customers, from the individual entrepreneurs, family business, to big companies. And when we can deliver a solution that really meets the necessities of different customers, it makes me very proud that we could make it.
Super, super powerful, Marina. And being proud of what we do is the real source of engagement at the very end of the day. So thanks for sharing it with us. Yinglu, same question.
A great example was our project to localize the production of our combined transmission at our Harbin plant. By transition from an imported transmission to a domestically assembled one, we are able to significantly reduce the cost and the lead times.
Third question, let's proceed. What helps you stay connected to the people we serve? I need to tell you, this is my preferred question.
As an SQE, I maintain the connection on two levels. First, my direct customer was our manufacturing workshop. I stay closely connected by regularly visiting our factories and hold the conference meetings with our global plants co-workers. And secondly, is our end customer, while I may not visit the farms, but their voice reach me very clearly through any quality issues.
Thanks for sharing with us. Marina, same question.
Well, I always try to picture in my mind the end result. So like the road being paved, the building going up, because this way I can put myself in the customer's shoes, Francesco. And the way I can do it is listening and listening to the voice of the customer at the job site, at the dealership, because their voice, their feedback is really gold for us.
Thank you very much, Marina. And let's close this circle with Ravina now. What helps you stay connected, Ravina, to the people we serve?
This question is very close to me also, Francisco, because I belong from a farmer family and I'm from that region where farming is the main occupation. So whenever I visit my village, I always, try to connect farmers and listen to them that what kind of challenges they are facing. And I also tell them that I work with CNH, which makes tractor and harvesting equipment. So you can use those equipments and tractors and you can increase your productivity always and you can earn more profit. So I see a smile on their face and I get their feedback so that I can communicate that feedback to the relevant person in the company.
Thanks for sharing this very powerful feedback with all of us here. Fourth question. What CNH technology are you most excited about?
Okay, I'm excited about the advancements in precision agriculture, the ability for our machinery to autonomously optimize inputs like the seeds, fertilizer for every square meter of the field is a game changer.
Thanks for the feedback that you gave us. Marina, I would come to you. What's happening in construction equipment? What CNH technology are you most excited about?
I am very excited about technologies that make the machines smarter, like the telematics that we now have in all the construction machines, because the telematics, the connectivity, really helps the customer to monitor the machine, to predict maintenance. It's not just cool tech, it's practical. It really saves time, reduces costs, and help keeping the machine working. This is financial results for the customer.
Thanks for sharing with us, Marina. I cannot agree more. And Ravina, let's close with you.
I have, closely seen the farmer. They were struggling with weed problem. So by opting this sense and act spraying technique, they can target the weed and reduce the herbicide usage by 60%. So that will also helpful for our environment as well. There will less pesticide will be used, and parallelly, this will increase the productivity of the farmers and their profitability.
Final question. In one word, but I can tell you I won't count the words, but in one word, what drives your work here at CNH?
For me, it's delivery, because we're here not to just do a job. We are here to deliver the solution to the end customer. And when we can find this type of meaning in what we do, even the toughest challenges become worthwhile.
Yes. For me, it's customer. We as CNH, our role is to help farmer, builder, and operator to make their life better, to empower them, and to increase their profitability and make their operation more sustainable.
In one word, stewardship. It encompasses responsibility for our products, our suppliers, and ultimately for our customers' success.
I heard about delivery. I heard about sustainability. I heard about customers. At the very end of the day, we are a very driven company that does what it does to make sure that our customers are well served in the best possible way. And I think there is a commitment. It's very interesting to see that there is a red line that connects all of us from Sorocaba to Shanghai to Greater Noida today. I mean, we are all connected. I'm in Zurich, by the way. That brings us to the end of the third and final episode, which is titled Driven by Purpose. Thanks for sharing your journey with all of us. And that's it for this season. Thanks for listening. And if you enjoyed the ride, please don't forget to follow, to share, and to stay tuned for what's coming next. We'll see you in the next season. I am Francesco Tutino, and this has been the CNH On Air podcast. Thank you very much.